In the presence of UV light, ethane and bromine react to give a mixture of products. Okay, and which compound cannot be present as in the mixture, right? So usually this, you can see from here, all these probably form in the termination step. So ethane, right? So ethane is CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3. So in the propagation step, you'll probably get this, CH3, CH2 dot plus HBr. Okay, then in the termination step, two of this will combine. In the termination step, this termination step, two of this will combine, right? And you'll form CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, so normally you have to realize one thing. In the termination step, when you form like a byproduct, the number of carbon will always be a multiple of the original one, okay, original hydrocarbon. The number of carbon will always be a multiple of that because you can only keep adding 2 carbon at a time. So if you look at this whole thing, the easiest way to look at it is this. So over here there's 4 carbon, and this one has how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 carbon. Yeah, it's possible. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 carbon, possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so it's 7 carbon, not really. Okay, so it's not possible. Okay, so if I have to show you why these can work, right, where did the 6 carbon come from? So this is the one, the radical. Okay, so this one here is the radical, and then they form a bond here first. Okay, so this was the bond formed between the 2 radicals. Okay, then after that, this will form a radical. This part will form a radical, and then combine with another one. There's a radical. Can you see that? So they'll join together, right? So actually, these 3 radicals actually were from here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So if you look at this D, why is it not possible? This one here, and this one here. All right. So where did this carbon come from? Okay. So yeah. So this is a lone carbon. Where did it come from? So you can't tell because you must always have 2 carbon. It's always a pair. All right. So that's why the answer cannot be present, right? It must be D really. Right. Anyway, the easiest way to do it is to count the number of carbon.